Hello everyone and welcome. So we have finished the paint protection treatment for this Škoda kushaq. This is the Monte Carlo edition. So we have applied our paint protection film, plus we have installed the q200 model of Dashcam from Thinkware. It's a dual channel with the front and rear, plus it comes with a 2-year warranty. Also we have protected the glass with the CarPro Nano Ceramic 70% sun film, which gives you a very high heat rejection and excellent clarity, plus a ceramic coating for the outer of the glass, the wheels, the external plastics, plus the interior has also been protected with the ceramic coating.